You see the title, like, yeah, just gonna try to get my first payout. Like, I've been trading prop firms for like 3 months, actually, since November 25th. Thank you. Yeah, it was like Thanksgiving, November 2024. I used to trade crypto, like only crypto, only like freaking Bitcoin, ETH, all the altcoins. Like I would trade perpetual futures, and I would like that's okay. So that's how I got started trading. Basically, it was like through crypto because like I got put onto crypto as soon as I got out of high school, 2019. Boom. I'm just like investing like in crypto back then. The thing was to like hodl or like hold slash invest and just wait and stuff. I did that and it was doing good. Like it was perfectly good, but like the thing with like hodling is like you're gonna get those ups, you're gonna get a whole bunch of profit, but like you're gonna hold all the way down to freaking literally losses. That's what I did. And then after I went through the investing phase of like just like hodling on like crypto, that's when I tried to learn how to like trade crypto. Like I wanted to day trade. Like I would like see people like day trade forex, day trade stocks, but like my young and dumb mind back then just thought like crypto is just you can make way more money off crypto because the market cap is smaller, so not that much money is gonna make like something pump up or whatever. But it's I didn't realize at the time it really is pretty difficult to like to trade that shit. Like if you're not like if you don't have a proper system to do that, like you just can't really do that. So I basically spent like 3 years just trying to figure out how to day trade crypto. I would have ups and downs. Like I'd be profitable for like a month or so, and then be just break even for like 2 or 3, and then I'll have a L month and stuff like that. Basically, just break even, probably losing a little bit. So basically, I heard about prop firms like that whole time, but I really didn't pay it any mind. Like it just didn't really seem like back then you couldn't tell me like that trading like futures, like trading freaking forex. Like back then, I would look at the percentage on a crypto chart. I would look at the percentages and see stuff go up 100%, 200%, like in one day, and that's easy money. Like not easy, but like you know what I'm trying to say is like just quick money. But then when I would like pay attention to like stocks and all that other stuff, like stuff would go up like less than a percent, and I don't know. I don't know why I was thinking this. It just is not the same. It's just not the same. Like even though it's like a half a percent, once I actually did the math, like literally, I can literally show you like exactly what I mean. Like here, look, this is the NQ chart. This is what I trade now. Like this is futures. This video is like not really organized. Whatever. Like look, literally, we're just gonna do just from here to here, and look. Okay, you can see some trades in here, but look at how much that movement that is. Okay, so just from here to here, and look at this movement relative to everything else. Like come on. All right, like just this little move, we're just gonna see how much. So like if I was trading crypto, like I would think I think what 0.76%. What? There's nothing. But like I didn't like realize like just I never realized that like even just that like it's how much money with one lot or like regular risk, but this is like a mini, so it's like a bit higher risk, but like it's like the whole principle of the thing. What? Just that little move, just that little move. It's 3K. As soon as I saw that, I understood prop firms. I just understood why somebody would why somebody would use a prop firm. Because my goal is to literally just use prop firms to fund my just regular trading. Like I remember I was trading crypto one day and then I took the dumbest L. Like I would like my system wasn't really down packed. Like my strategies was not really down packed. I'll say that. But I took like freaking $70 loss for no fucking reason. None. It was just dumb. Like, and then I was like, it wasn't like a lot. Like I've lost more in trades. I've lost less in trades. But that day, it just didn't hit right because I didn't have to take that loss. And like, I don't know. Basically, I just thought to myself, how much is a prop firm like challenge? I went on Topstep and I see that it's $50 basically if it's like on sale, and every time that I've looked, it's always on sale. Literally, it's always like $50 for 50K. What? So you're telling me I have a chance to get X amount of money for $50 if I just perform, basically? Just perform, be a consistently profitable trader. What do I have to lose? $50. Opposed to me trading crypto, literally lose freaking $70 for no freaking reason, just doing the same thing over and over and over again, just not really getting anywhere. Basically, I went to prop firms and futures. I go to futures, and the way I trade is I trade ICT, and I've been learning ICT for literally since 2020. Yeah, I remember it was like during the pandemic. The problem was I was trying to put ICT concepts into fucking crypto, and I didn't really know how, and I didn't really study the way I was supposed to study as well. I will say that too, and it just was never working. I would find some profitable things, and then I would go unprofitable and have win streaks, then and losing streaks. But my when I would win, it wasn't really big wins, and then my losses would just add up and just eat all my wins. So I was really just bleeding slowly. So I come and study futures like the NQ, the ES, like the S&P, like it actually it adds up. It makes sense. Like I should just been like basically if I was just trading futures from the start, as soon as I started learning ICT, like I'd be good. Like I've learned a lot of things. Like I took a whole bunch of notes. Like I use Trello. If anybody knows what that is, it's like Notion, um, but it's its own thing. And I would just go in, watch videos, like watch his ICT videos, like from way back in the day, way before 2022 mentorship, which is like that's actually that's when I stopped like really like studying for real, like because it wasn't working on crypto. So I'm over here thinking like, okay, it's not gonna work on crypto, so it's not really gonna work out for me. So what's the point of me studying this? It's just not really gonna work out for me on crypto. And then I would try to like find ways how crypto would like work with his methods. He even said himself it doesn't really work on crypto. Like he, I thought I was a genius. I would be able to crack the code on the crypto and the ICT and the algorithms and whatever. I'm not that guy, apparently. So I just went on freaking NASDAQ. I see price. Like I see price the way always wanted to see price now. Like, I'm not afraid to like miss a trade anymore because I know there's gonna be another setup. Like, I can see the setups now. On crypto, I would literally just pick random like just random freaking coins. I'd pick the highest one and try to short that, or pick the lowest one and try to long that, or vice versa. Like, I'd pick the longest one and try to like ride the trend or something. Like, try to use some ICT concepts. But I didn't understand liquidity. I didn't really understand fair value gaps. I didn't understand, like, back then I was really only using OTE. And maybe, like, I know a lot of y'all don't even know what that is, but I will explain later, like, what those are as I'm like going through this. Basically, I got off really sidetracked. Basically, here's my here's my new 50K. My new 50K. This is the second time that I've reset this. Basically, might be the first, second. Yeah, second time I reset this. Had this since November, basically. Just reset it Monday. Well, I didn't reset it. It went over the subscription. That does not matter. That does not matter. Basically, it's basically fresh. I took a L yesterday. It was a small L, 275. Like, you know what? I'm not even gonna show it right now because I'll probably go back later and show y'all. But it was like literally the L was 13 seconds. Like, I was in the trade for 13 seconds. It was a quick ass L, and it was a small L. I was looking for a trade pretty much the whole morning yesterday. I saw that one. It was a quick L. I was obviously wrong. If I waited 13 seconds, it would have been not an L. Who cares? Small L. As long as I manage my risk, I should pass this challenge because, like, the goal is to try to get a payout. Notice how I'm saying payout and not pass the challenge, because I passed the challenge before. Like, I had a copy trader. I mean, I still have a copy trader, but I was copy trading like multiple accounts, and I had an Apex, and I had two Apex accounts and two Topstep accounts. One was with TradeOvate, and then the other one was Rhythmic slash Ninja Trader, and then I would just copy trade those three together, and then trade the TradeOvate one, which is this one, by itself. Um, and then yeah, I basically the two Apex ones I passed, but the other one I blew that one, and coincidentally, it's right here. This thing just got reset today too. Um, I'll probably copy trade those, but I'm trying to get my first Topstep payout, really payout in general. But those other two ones that I passed, one's already blown. We'll just get out that. We'll just get that out the door. The other one is really, it's damn near like right there to blown. So yeah, I'm just here now. Yeah, today though, today's trading day for this account, not bad. It's really not bad. I don't know if I should show y'all right now or should show y'all later, but I'm gonna just leave it to you. I'm gonna just cut it up and I'll show y'all. Basically, yeah, that's the intro. Like, that's the basis of this series. If I fail, pass, I don't get anywhere, I'm just gonna try to document everything worth noting on this little whatchamacallit. Trying to get my first payout because I've been trading. Like, I've been trading. I've never gotten a payout from prop firms. I mean, I've only been trading prop firms for 3 months and futures for 3 months. Technically, you could say I've been trading futures longer because when I was trading crypto, I was trading perpetual futures, but it's not like futures, and it's leverage slash margin, but that's not the point. And I'm talking about futures markets or indices, whatever. So yeah, yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see you on episode 2. Okay, well, I'm gonna just do a quick little recap of yesterday's trading day because I got time. I ain't gotta do much right now. It should be easy. So, morning started. It wasn't really. Oh, I remember it was the deep seek, the Chinese AI thing dumped the market just crazy, and I was expecting more downside, but didn't really get it. Like, we gotta pump up the market open. Just really just tag liquidity right here. So you see here set of ran to the bottom. Price did hold. Yeah, price did hold above like midpoint of the fair value gap. It was okay. Okay, so that's how you know. But as I was just pointing out, go back. As you can see, I was just pointing out right here. We got London, bearish fair value gap that did not get tapped into at all. And like just said, I was expecting bearishness because we just had the AI news of like crypto, the tech sector, the AI sector, basically Nvidia, all that or whatever. I'm thinking bearish. Okay, so right here is where I should have been like, okay, we just got into a major or a key liquidity level, which is this bearish fair value gap. Just if you don't know what that is, think just a liquidity pool or a rubber band that's like stopping the price to go where from it's going, basically. Just or resistance if you even know the basic stuff, like the basic terminology. Pretty sure everybody knows what support and resistance is at this point. So yeah, price respected that good bit, and right here it was just not really doing much, and kind of chopping around to break it, and then I put targets up higher just in case we close above it and stay above it, and started to get and boom, like seeing price displace down, and when you see displacement, that's how you know like the institutional order flow is like trying to push to that whatever displacement direction that is, they're trying to go that way. Basically, you should think of it like that. So you see that displacement down, and I point that out right here, and then I'm like basically kind of waiting for this fair value gap to close. I mean not close, to like confirm. And I was ready for that. But did I set the actual order? No. Look, I missed it. Look, I missed it by a second. I missed it by a second. And then look what happens. I missed it by a second. Look, I tried to get it right here. And I missed it by a second. And I'm even trying to outline what I'm trying to do. But look at this. I was hesitant. I was kind of hesitant. That's all I could say. And look at that profit margin. And look at the risk. It's tough. And I was thinking of getting in on the other one, but nah, I just knew that would be a chase. I literally knew that would be a chase. I just knew it. And when I even took that order off, and I would have got filled right there. Would have got filled. I be doing this to myself sometimes. I be doing it to myself sometimes. So that's like a double miss trade for real. I'd like right now I'd be in that trade still. Yeah, so just gonna speed this up like a good amount. Um, yeah, price bench. Yeah, look at this. Oh, all right. So here's what I'm thinking. We just broke structure right here. Market structure shift right here. We just broke the structure. Higher high, higher low, higher, or lower high, and then we break the lower low. Market structure shift right here. On top of a fair value gap. This right here. I'm thinking, okay, well, the fair value gap should be the thing that pushed market structure shifts for us to go get this liquidity right here, this retracement. And I'm thinking we probably see 830 open. So I set up this entry, and what happens? Price. I'm just waiting. Like I say, limit order on this fair value gap. I can't type this yet, but I tried. My risk was super tight. Just made sure it was super tight because I damn near knew I was low key chasing. I damn near knew deep down because I was supposed to really be up. I was supposed to be in here and or right there and be out right there. I would have been done. I was low key pissed. I was low key pissed, but it was a valid entry in my eyes. Like valid entry in my eyes, because what I just said. So I'm over here waiting. I'm not gonna take the order like I did last time. And what happens? Immediately stopped. Freaking immediately stopped. And yeah, I was just like, well, damn. Not much I can do about it. My first L. It was like a super tight stop. It was like 275. Can't complain about that. Like, and what did price do? I'm just gonna fast forward to the rest of this because I didn't take any trades after this. Like, basically, price went like usually I write down like the lessons, like what I learned, because you gotta journal what you do right and what you do wrong, or you're never gonna get better. It's something I never used to do when I traded crypto. You pause that right there so you see that. Something I never used to do when I traded crypto. I would just take a trade, take the L, or take the dub. I would take a screenshot of it and track it. But that would be it. I would just put it down there. I'd be like, oh no. But I would never track it. So as soon as I started doing that, like as soon as I started actually journaling, like why I entered this trade, how did I feel during this trade, why did I exit the trade? Did I exit early? Did I let it hit my target? Stuff like that. As soon as I started doing that, I was more consistent because you stop doing random things. Basically, you get all the random stuff, the stuff that like the small, like when you like think of it like you're taking a whole bunch of L's. You think about the L's. You write down, oh, you took this L because you chased. I would chase a lot. As soon as I took those out, way more like profitable because, like I said, I was breaking even and stuff, slowly bleeding. I was taking a whole bunch of unnecessary losses. Then I started journaling. A whole like 80% of those losses, 90% of those losses just eliminated because I was actually taking proper trades and proper setups and being patient. Like, see this? You see how many trades I missed or said I missed? Like back then, I would have been chasing. I would have been chasing. It would have blown my account. That's when I first started getting into these. Like, I was chasing, and I learned real quick you cannot chase. Like, you just can't. So, yeah, these are the lessons. Like, you gotta be patient. Like, you gotta be patient. You gotta be locked in. When you see the setup, you gotta take it up. Because you won't miss a setup if you just take that trade, basically. Like, you you just gotta be confident, and to be confident in your trade, you gotta back test, you gotta know your strategy, and you just gotta see it play out over and over again. Just know that statistically, if you just keep on doing the same thing over and over again, you're gonna be profitable. And it goes in the same thing as FOMO. Like, you can't be scared that you missed a trade. You can't be mad that you missed a trade, because the same thing over and over and over again. It's just literally it's gonna happen. It's just gonna happen next time, or next day, or next hour, or next session, or next year, or next month, or next week, whatever. It's always gonna happen. So yeah, that's the recap for January 20 27. Yeah, 27. If it's 28th, don't call me on that. Yeah, it's the 27th. It's 27. It's literally right there. I'm tripping. But yeah, bye.